meant to bring the other one and I left it home.
Why?
Because it needs to come here and
I know why you didn't bring it.
Because
Dapat talaga walker na yung sa kanya. Are you regretting that you marry me?
Am I what?
Regret?
Do I regret?
Yeah. You think you're perfect? Are you perfect, hon?
I am.
Huh?
I am. Good morning, Philippines!
Guys, kagising ko lang talaga. Hi, Misty. Where's Dada? You guys hungry? Do you wanna go out, Misty? Come, let's go. Hey. Did you feed the cats?
Yeah.
Anyway, okay.
You saw that tuna on the counter.
Huh?
You saw that tuna on the counter.
Oh, you don't shut that light off?
No.
No? It's 6 o'clock already. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Max. Good morning. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Good morning, Misty. I am making some egg. Gusto ko yung Filipino breakfast talaga. So, dahil meron akong spam, rice, and egg. Maggawa tayo ng egg. And si Tammy busy sa paglilinis ng water dish, ng water fountain ng mga alaga niya. Sobrang busy ni Tammy mo ngayon. Gusto ko yung egg at saka rice and spam. Very breakfasty. Yep. How many eggs do you want for your omelette? 2?
I'll make it. I'll finish it. I'll make it. I just want to get this done first.
Have still him to clean the dish.
I did.
Ay,
I know
nako.
you don't believe it. You told me that it was disgusting.
Kalungkat tong asawa ko.
That was kind of the most important thing to it now.
So what?
And nothing is more important to an animal than water. It takes the phosphorus out of the food that you just eat.
Nilabas.
If you wait too long, it doesn't help.
Nilabas
And
ko
then your
sila.
phosphorus numbers keep going up.
This is need. Did you say
I meant
need?
to bring the other one and I left it home.
Why?
Because it needs to come here and
I know why you
be able
didn't
to
bring
spread
it.
out. Because I get so many things going on.
Oh yeah. Did you see this is they're very thin.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
it
but it's okay. They're strong enough. That's the way it is.
it growing
The other
really
one
fast
we're
too.
going to separate into different pots because it's just too big. It's just huge.
I know. We need to spray the guys wall. It's getting hot already. So hot. Those guys, that's the area guys that are all dead grasses. That's a dog pee area. You will know because look, all the grass is dead. Han, they're very good, Han.
What?
It's so good. Dami. Marami pa dun sa kabila. Actually, look how pretty is that. So pretty. And guys, sobrang taba ng ko guys. This is not zucchini. This is cucumber. Cucumber siya. Yung batong ko guys, hindi lumaki. Pumayat dahil sa cucumber. 3 puno kasi ito guys. Ang okra ko din. Kailangan ko na itong i-transfer. Talong ito. Eggplant transfer ko. Ito guys. It doesn't work.
I need a
What? Tell me.
little fire.
Plier?
Yeah.
So, he took that off from here. And I don't know next what he's going to do. Doesn't freaking work. Dito yung sabon ilagay. We just used this once. It worked really good. But after storing it, doesn't work. And then, that's where the gas is.
Yeah.
Hello, careful. So the gas will be dripping.
A little bit.
Punta pa kami sa dialysis. Happen. What do you need? There's still gas over there.
Yeah, I know.
I see that. Buti na lang mahangin sa labas, kung hindi sobrang init. Sabi pa ni Tami may storm daw mamaya. Ayun ako, Lord. Hala guys, ang dami ko ng talong guys. Kailangan kong i-transfer talaga. Ang dami ding raspberry over there. Oh. Said he's done.
Make sure there's no kinks in the hose, like no bend.
Yeah. But look, you have to.
That's curl, that's fast.
Yeah, but
Oh, no,
okay.
crease.
I hope it's not gonna explode, ha? Dito sa gilid. Okay, let me turn this on first. Ay, nako, I cannot. Hala. Kaloka naman itek. Hindi pa rin nag... Hala. Ay, tignan natin. Hala, it works. Hala. Hala, rocks. Hala. 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 Hala, it's on. Hala. So, ito yung gamit ni Tami guys to clean up. Ito siya. Ipalinis ko rin ni Tami dito guys. Molds. Diyan din sa mga gilid-gilid. Right here, come. Come, go, run. Right here, go. Oh. So, Dada's noisy, right? Dada's very noisy, baby. She doesn't like it. She doesn't like it. You don't like it. You don't like it. It's so noisy, Dada. Oy. Noisy Dada. Where are you going? Where are you going? Food. Here na bilata na be. Puto na bilata na ro na. Bilang ka na. Bilang ka na food. Sobrang dumi kasi yung ano. Hello. Hello. What you sheepy? Look. Takot ay takot. Come here. Don't be takot. Sit. Okay, we sit over here. We watch Dada, okay? We watch Dada. We're going to watch him. Over there. Ang dumi kasi. Ay, grabe. Where are you leaving? Roxy, where are you going? Roxy! Dinadrop namin yung biyanan ko guys. Yung pakiramdam niya, dito kami ngayon hinihintay ko lang si Tami. Yung pakiramdam niya sobra siyang ano, yung nahihilo, ayaw niyang maglakad. Hindi naman siya dapat magpunta ngayon sa dialysis kasi dinialysis siya kahapon dun sa hospital. Kaluka talaga. So dinialysis siya dun. Iwan ko ba't hindi tinawagan ng sister-in-law ko na hindi siya papuntahin ngayon dito. Ang rough pa naman ng mga tao dito. God, ginoo ko, hindi pa rin sila nakapasok. Kaloka. As in, luyang-luya. Sa Bisaya pa, grabe yun yung luyaha eh. As in, yung parang hindi na siya makagalaw. Dapat talaga walker na yung sa kanya. Gusto kasi nila na makaano pa yung ina nila, yung makalakad, yung para maganda yung yung mga paa niya para ma-move, may mga movement. Kaya palagi kasi nila yung pinapagamit ng walker. Magmo-move siya, dapat sa kanya talaga yung strength, ganyan. Saka may walker naman siya. Kailangan na talaga ng walker, itinay na yun para hindi na mahirapan hanggang sa huli ng buhay. Kaloka. Para naman sa kabutihan din yun yung movement, pero nagsasuffer talaga siya, guys. Pero yung kapatid talaga nilang babae, sila lahat gusto nila actually. Gusto naman namin yun para sa kanya, pero nakikita ko ba na naghirap? Parang nahirapan ng maglakad, hindi na easy yung ganun ba? Ang problema kasi kapag nag-wheelchair, hindi walker, yung wheelchair, yun yung ibig kong sabihin, wheelchair. Pero walker yung gamit niya ngayon. Wheelchair yung dapat gamitin niya ngayon para siya mahirapan. Pero nakikita ko talaga, kapag hindi siya gumagamit ng walker, hindi niya i-move yung legs, kilala ko si Bianan, ayaw niyang mag-move. Andun lang siya, nakaupo forever hanggang magkaano siya, yung magtai, ganon. Kasi kilala ko yan. Ma'am, there's no dialysis. No dialysis for her. So we drop her at yung sa bahay ng sister-in-law ko. Dinala namin doon. Nagsusuka-suka. Grabe. So we're heading home and it's traffic. It's not really traffic. She's not feeling good at all. Dizzy and nausea. Nausea and dizziness is the same, different? Hi, Han. Is that a different thing?
Yeah, nausea when you feel like you're gonna throw up.
And then that's the same thing when you're
Well,
dizzy.
dizziness can make you nauseous, but nauseous, you're not necessarily dizzy. Like I get nauseous sometimes from headaches, and I'm pretty dizzy.
Oh. Look at that. Hey, Happy. Hello, Happy na. Hello, Happy. Hello, Happy. Hello, Happy na. Happy. Happy na. Aray, you're talking to Mama? Are you talking to Mama? Are you talking? What are you trying to say? What are you trying to say? Hello, we are home, guys. Now we're gonna eat something because our lunch is late. Dada's having lunch. Bread. Bread, Dada. Bread. I will bring...
The little man right here.
Huh?
A little man staring.
Yeah. I don't wanna forget this later, Han. Everybody's... Can you give me my bread? I want my bread. I have rice this morning. Rice. And now I have bread for lunch. Diba, wardi, baka wardi. Han, is your wife weird to you?
Yeah.
Are you regretting that you marry me?
Am I what?
Regret?
Do I regret?
Yeah.
No.
Real answer.
No.
Even though I'm like this?
Even though you like this pain in my neck.
No, even though sometimes...
A lot of times.
No, I said, well, I'm not done.
All the time.
Sometimes that you see something and I pretend I understand, I laugh.
Yeah.
And then even
You know that a lot.
even though I don't really understand it.
Right. Mom does the same thing. You and Mom like the same people.
Honey, don't see that. That's your mother. You should be you and her.
Yeah.
It's you and her, hon. The same
You.
personality. You ate your din-din. You did. He's always hungry, hon. He is always hungry like...
I gave them a treat before I left.
Okay, guys. Mag-Hawaiian bread tayo. Let's do Hawaiian bready. Hon, you think that thing is still good? Can you take that out, please? That battery thingy. Hala, that's bad, hon. That's been there for decades ago. What? No. Try it. Try it.
What battery thing you want me to take out?
The butter, the one that almond.
Oh, peanut butter stuff?
The almond. You think that's so good?
Yes.
And it's gonna be stormy today, it says. And that means iminsi-minsi. Pataka naman dyan po guys. Baka na ganun mag-istoreta guys na hindi natin alam kung anong next. Maraming nagsasabi sa akin sa vlog na may mga magko-comment na like this. I don't like you. You don't finish your sentence. They will see that. I don't like you. You don't finish your sentence. You start talking about... let me itch my leg. You think legs...
Just like that. When you start talking about, oh, let me itch my leg.
Anyway, so, yun guys. That's what happened. Because it's when there's something in my head, I will talk. And then there's something coming up
And then
again.
it leaves our head.
What?
Then it leaves our head to go on vacation.
And then, if you think about something different, then I will cut off whatever I say. And then, you know, sometimes, guys, I have to edit and then and then I have to refilm. Because, look, I will eat 4 of this. Actually, maybe just 3 because it's too much. It's lunch and it's almost, So, that's what happened to me. Always cut off. And I will continue. I'm not a good storyteller, whatever is that, bank teller. I'm not a good storyteller, you know. I'm good with cutting off and continue later. Like that, you know, it's normal life. You think you're perfect? Are you perfect, hon?
I am.
Huh?
I am.
Quick! Are you perfect?
Of course.